We have a visitor over there. So, that's definitely for me. Hello everyone. I am super excited and today I'm going to show you cannot miss this, a room tour of my Datai room. So here it is. This is the main door. You see the lighting there. And ta-da! Look at that. I have a very huge, very big bed just for myself. I have all the accessories, the lighting and all that over here. And I have, of course, a side table. I have this desk that where I can do a live streaming. Look at that guys, look at that, it's so cool. I'm super excited. I have my own phone. And this place I'll show you later, but you see that guys. Tingnan nyo naman. My boss is really so sweet. I have an advance happy birthday greeting na. Look at that. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute. I cannot express myself. I have a birthday cake over here. I have a birthday greeting card over here from the Datai team. And I also have this. I don't know what's inside. I'll do a room tour first. And I have this balcony over here. I have my own TV. It's even personalized. It's Mizare's Gado. Yeah, I can watch, I don't know what. I'll show you maybe later. I have my own stuff where I can read. And I can also do a lot of work here. I don't know what kind of work. It's amazing, right? Wow. So yeah, I also have a light. And I don't know what this is, but it looks pretty cool. I have a nature guidebook, which I'm going to be using later. I'm going to check that out. And what else? Yeah, I have a daybed here. I have this room basically just for myself. And what do you call this? What do you call this? A minibar. Yes, this is a minibar. And this is my water. They're not using any plastic here, so everything is refillable. And they use bottle. What's this? If in case I need an ice. And this is the water kettle if I need a hot water for the tea. And they have this. Oh, I see. The coffee that they have is here. They have the coffee machine. And I have everything that I need. I have my coffee. I have my creamer. I have my sugar. And what else do I have? I have the cutleries. The tea. I have all the English tea, Earl Grey, classic green, and chamomile. And this one, no, I won't be able to drink that because that is alcohol. And I have a fridge that I can actually drink. My mom said it's included in the room, so they will replenish that every time. I have some snack. I have chocolate. And what's this? Burials. Oh, these are more nuts. And this is nothing. I have glasses. I have my coffee cups. Amazing. Hey, how about the toilet, and look how grand that is, guys. Look how grand that is. I have my own robe. I can hang my stuff here. And this is the safe where I can put my stuff. I have my own slipper. Yeah, these are all empty. Oops. Sorry about that. What else? I have my own basket so that I bring my stuff to the beach with no hassle. I even have an umbrella and another pair of slippers there. A lot of space to put your stuff if you plan to like stay here for a long time. And this, you can even have real privacy because you can close this door. You can slide this door close. So yeah, this is my sink. There's another one there. If I feel like I don't want to use that sink, I can use this one. All right. And I also plan to use this just to soak myself like hours over here in this tub. Look at that, guys. And yeah, there are 2 showers. Oh no, this is the toilet. Look at that. All right. And this is the shower. I have everything that I need in this room. Wow. So I hope I have showed you everything that this room has to offer. Actually, there is one more, the balcony. Let me show you the balcony, guys. Look at these beautiful balloons over here. So you can unlock this door and just go to the balcony like that. And ta-da! Isn't that amazing, guys? And this is the view. This is the view that you see. It's an amazing facility. It's an amazing facility. I have another day bed over here that I can sit and just bring my coffee outside, you know. So guys, that's my room and I have to do this. So let's see. I got a card, a birthday card from Datai that says, "Happy birthday, Miss Ayla." That's definitely for me. Because when I came, I was so surprised to see a happy birthday over there. I thought that somebody came in last night and did a birthday party over here. So just to let me see it. Okay. Let me open it and see what's inside. Oh, look at that. It's really nice. What kind of bird is this? Dear Miss Aresgato, so that's me. It is a great pleasure to welcome you to the Datai Langkawi. I wish you a wonderful stay with us and trust you will enjoy the facilities and experiences available at the resort. If there is anything I can do to make your time with us more comfortable, I would be very pleased to assist. Wishing you a pleasant stay ahead. With warm regards, Jaya Nazreen, the manager. So yeah, I will definitely enjoy it here. And I'm thanking my boss already in advance for this birthday treat. Yay! I really hope that I could share this birthday cake to you guys. It's really beautiful. Yum! I'm going to have a feast tonight. Chocolate cake with a cup of coffee. Woo. And I haven't told you yet, guys. Actually, I don't really need a key because this is the key. Because Hey, we have a visitor. We have a visitor over there. So, if I open that balcony door, I couldn't leave that open without nobody in here, because the monkeys here will steal everything. So yeah, see you. So yeah, see you guys. I'll show you around. This resort is actually so big, you will not get bored. There's so many things to do, so many restaurants to go to. And so I was also wondering what this thing is. It's made of something like a ceramic. Let's find out. So I have a wooden comb, toothbrush and toothpaste, a shower cap, cotton pads and cotton buds, and what's this? A body buff. Oh, this is nice. I like this. And yeah, a signature scent. Natural amenities from the rainforest. Oh, that's good. There's so much into saving the rainforest now. So yeah, what is this? The light. You can adjust the light. Oh, you can dim the light with these things. So turn it up. The light goes up. Alright. How about this? Nothing happened. Oh, the light for the toilet. Okay. Is this the mirror? Is this the mirror? Oh, this is another light. A ring light. A ring light. Perfect for my vlogging, guys. It's a ring light over there. Let's turn that off. So there's so many things here. It's amazing. So that's it.